Oh, I already know the problem. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Immediately, what do you see? Immediately, what is it you see that you find that's a problem? I'm not even gonna point it out. I'm not even gonna point it out. I'm not going to point it out. Matt, are you drawing? Do we have to do this many ad spots for these companies, or can I just teach class? Yeah, blind spot, guys. Blind spot. Pretty easy. Blind spot. Can't see anything. We're gonna cross over a couple lanes. The raindrops. I mean, we got vision. It's a vision problem. It's a vision. So in this situation, if somebody's coming up to you, you might not be able to prevent it, right? So if you can't prevent it, and all of a sudden you're right here and you feel very uncomfortable, why would you feel uncomfortable? Well, guess what? I feel uncomfortable because this guy's getting closer and closer, and I know his little spot right here is getting smaller and smaller, and my lane is moving and moving. He obviously didn't want to be in this lane, so where do you think he's still gonna go? He's gonna come into my lane. This guy's going too slow. He doesn't want to get next to him. He's gonna keep going this way. So now I got a problem. So how do I solve that problem? And that's what we're doing here, guys. Whenever you're out riding, you're gonna have hundreds of problems. My shift wasn't the greatest. What gear should I be in? How should I be? What lane position should I be going into this intersection? You know, what's my space cushion? Let me count real quick. That guy just passed the pole. I'm 4 seconds behind. I feel comfortable here. Now this guy's in a blind spot. Now I see oil on the ground. Now I see this. You're gonna have hundreds of problems when you're riding. It's just, how do you solve them? And that's one of the scariest things for new riders, guys. I get it. That's the scary thing for new riders, because there's too many problems. So when we talk about problems, Gideon just became a crew member. That's not a problem anymore. But the thing is, when we talk about problems, those are just, replace those with factors. Factors. So we have a problem right here, guys. We have a problem of blind spot. Okay, we got a problem of raindrops everywhere. We got raindrop everywhere. We got rain everywhere. We got people here, people here. We got an open spot. We have all these different things. How do we solve those factors? How do we solve those problems? Go ahead and decelerate, you know, apply some brake pressure, you know, apply some brake pressure, go backwards, do all that stuff. Maybe accelerate, get out of here. You know, maybe move over to lane position 1. Maybe move over here so you have a better space cushion, and then speed up and get out of there. You know, there's all these different things that you could totally do that will get you out of a lot of these situations. So that right there is why, you know, or is one of the things, you know, we need to solve these problems. Okay, I get it, it's scary. Another thing that we could do before we get into an area of like, I can't solve 100 problems in a ride. I can't solve 100 problems. I can maybe solve 40. Well, remove these problems. How do we remove these problems? You know, the raindrops, all the cars. How do we solve these problems? Well, we only ride in neighborhoods, right? So there's less cars. So we get rid of these cars, get rid of these factors, get rid of these problems. Okay, it's raining. Well, that's an easy one. Don't ride in the rain. So now you solve that problem. So that kind of stuff, it's like, well, how do we solve as many problems as possible for the level that we're at? And what you could do is ride in a parking lot, ride in a neighborhood, get rid of all these different factors. And then when you get comfortable with the neighborhood, you get comfortable with riding in a parking lot, and those 30 to 40 things that you have to solve are now super easy. I feel like I can add 20 more. I can add 10 more. I can add this more. And then you slowly go and go and go until you're to the point where you can pretty much ride anywhere you want to ride. Right here though, don't just jump straight into it. Don't just jump straight into riding on the interstate, in the town, with rain, with traffic, during rush hour. You don't have to do that. You really don't.